start on my left.
Past Master Sons of the Desert 2018 and 2019. Ed Del Rosario.
Affiliated past master, I was Master San Francisco Lodge number 120, 2019. Francis Drake Lodge 376, 2010. And Crocker Lodge 212, 1999.
Mark McNee, I was the master here at Sons of the Desert during the pandemic years, 2020 and 2021.
Carlos Ivan Alvarez, and past master 2022. First time I've ever said that. Past master.
There.
Richard Model, past master 1980, and 4 times after that.
May all past masters and current masters of other lodges please rise for self-introduction. Whoa, that's this.
Yeah, there you go.
We'll have to be a while. Worshipful, to my left.
Mike Dwyer, past master of Columbia Brotherhood, number 370 in 2005.
Ravito Badi, past master San Mateo Lodge, 2019.
Worshipful Sir, Eric Salaga, Patterson Lodge, number 488.
Brother Jim Magyar, past master Acacia Lodge, number 243, 2015.
Howard Wong from Acacia Lodge, 243, 2017.
Julius Basco, London Lodge, number 354, Galas of the Philippines, 2013.
Reino del Rosario, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge number 370, 2022.
Yeah, Columbia.
Rubio Ruiz, Pittsburgh Lodge 429, 2018, and Carquinez Lodge 858, 2021.
Worshipful Sir, Jovencio Randon, Pittsburgh Lodge 429, 2019.
Vince Chan, Burlingame Lodge, number 400, 2012.
Trevor Drexler, San Mateo, in Burlingame, a long time ago.
Rick Smith, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge, 2006.
Bob Wood, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge, 2007.
George Wade, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge, 2001.
Nick Racis, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge, 1986, and I had the honor and privilege of having your father on one of my officers.
Richard Bettelheim, San Mateo 226. I believe just a lot.
Jim Ritter, San Mateo, 2013.
May I please call all Hiram recipients